Welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, please hit that subscribe button so you never miss a tech update. Today we are looking at the Sonnet Echo 20 Thunderbolt 4 SuperDock, an absolute powerhouse for your workspace. This single device offers 20 interfaces to transform your desk setup. It includes 3 Thunderbolt 4 ports, 8 USB 3.2 ports, 2.5 gigabit Ethernet, and even dedicated RCA audio outputs. One of my favorite features is the built-in M.2 NVMe SSD slot. You can add up to 8 terabytes of internal storage and hit transfer speeds up to 800 megabytes per second, which is perfect for backups or media libraries. It supports stunning visuals too, with options for 8K at 60 Hz displays directly through the HDMI port. Plus, it charges your laptop with up to 100 watts of power through a single cable connection. Whether you are using an Apple M series Mac, an iPad Pro, or a Windows Thunderbolt computer, this dock brings everything together seamlessly. It is reliable, high quality, and designed to keep your cables organized. Thanks for watching, and let me know in the comments if you plan on upgrading your workstation.